Breaking news, the U.S. Supreme Court blocks Wisconsin's voter ID law.
And that means voters will not need an ID at the polls in November, at least for now.
Charles Benson is live downtown with more on this late breaking news. Charles.
And opponents of photo ID knew this last-minute appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court would be a Hail Mary, but it worked. It now appears the majority of the court have concerns, not specifically with the merits of the law, but concerns with absentee ballots and the rush to get the photo ID into place before the November 4th election. Now, a federal judge in Milwaukee initially suggested the law could have disenfranchised 300,000 voters and ruled it unconstitutional. But just last month, the Seventh Circuit overruled, and the scramble was on to get it in place before the election. But Milwaukee Mayor Tom Baer told me just a few minutes ago, getting everyone up to speed on photo ID was like unscrambling eggs.
With such a short period before the election, it could have wreaked havoc. And I think that the justices, a majority, 6 of the justices on the United States Supreme Court, felt that this was too close to the election. That's my read on it.
Now, the Attorney General, J.B. Van Hollen, issued a statement just minutes ago saying, quote, "I believe the voter ID law is constitutional, and nothing in the court's order suggests otherwise. Instead, the court may have been concerned that even with the extraordinary efforts of the clerks, absentee ballots that were distributed before the Seventh Circuit declared the law valid might not be counted." And Mike and Carol, this decision comes just as the GAB, which oversees the elections, was about to spend $400,000 to inform voters about the photo ID. It now appears that will be on hold. In Milwaukee, Charles Benson, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, in less than 4 weeks to the election, perhaps we've not heard the last of this. Thanks, Charles.